as we are watching a big-time winter storm starting to push into the state. Around the Front Range, it was a quiet afternoon for us, and look at this starry night with all the city lights out there. Just gorgeous. Highs were in the upper 40s this afternoon here for the metro area. 39 in Eagle. We were in the mid-40s around Salida and Alamosa too. Looking at the satellite and radar composite, just a few high-level clouds here for parts of the I-25 corridor with a little bit of light snowfall already starting to inch into the state. Toward the San Juans, Telluride, looking at a few light flurries for now, but we'll be looking at heavy snowfall late tonight into tomorrow morning. Snowfall increases about 2-3 a.m. and then look at this. Heavy snow by about 6-7 a.m. This storm system will not be impacting the Denver area until late Tuesday night into Wednesday. So pretty much all day Tuesday, it is going to be a mess up in the mountains because of this heavy snow. Tonight here in Denver, partly cloudy skies. Temps will fall into the mid to upper 20s for us. Similar setup off to the eastern plains with lower 20s through Colorado's high country. Looking at the futurecast again, the rest of this evening, we'll just be monitoring that snowfall increasing, and then wow, is it widespread by 7-8 a.m. tomorrow. You're hopping in the car, jumping on I-70. It is going to be a completely different season up there than what you have left here in the metro area as that snowfall comes down all day long. Here we are, 5 o'clock. The drive home, no issues here in Denver. Again, still trying to get up to the mountains. It's going to be tough, especially along the higher mountain passes as we have blowing and drifting snow, limiting visibility. We'll start to see some of the precip push back in here to the city, starting as rain first. This is late Tuesday night, but then it quickly switches over to snow. This is what we'll wake up to on Wednesday morning. Again, not much for our friends up there in Fort Collins and Greeley. We'll have some light snowfall for the morning on Wednesday here in Denver, and then the storm system will push out just in time for the Thanksgiving holiday. It will be a white one up in the mountains as they have winter storm warnings for overall about 12 to 24 inches of new snowfall by late Wednesday evening. We have winter weather advisories in place, 4 to 8 on the south side of town through Douglas and Elbert counties, and about 6 to 12 up towards Steamboat Springs. So looking at the Front Range, the heavy snowfall continues. Meanwhile, we'll have nice dry roads, some good traveling conditions here in Denver. Maybe you're heading I-76, I-70 moving out toward Kansas. No real issues out there. Temperatures tomorrow pretty seasonal in the lower 50s. Again, those showers will be pushing in the later afternoon. 50s lining up the eastern plains, even 60s down in Springfield with 30s mainly up in the mountains. We'll see a few spots like Idaho Springs in the low 40s. Looking at the extended forecast, Thanksgiving, it's clear, but it's cold with highs in the upper 30s.